Let's go back to that developing story in the Gambia where the WHO has said that a syrup made in India is connected with the deaths of 66 children. We have Fabakary Jammeh, a legal practitioner, joining us from the Gambia. Thanks for joining us. Let's see if you can get my questions clearly. Confirm you can hear me, please.
Yes, I can hear you.
Great. So I just want to know, what is the update with this situation? What is the government saying?
At the moment, the government of the Gambia is recalling some of the medications that are suspected of being linked to the outbreak of acute kidney injury in the Gambia, including the syrups that were listed by the WHO. So already the government, the health authorities are recalling all those syrups that are out there in the pharmacies, and also they have issued a directive informing all health workers not to dispense or use those syrups or even assign them to patients. So this is what Gambia government is doing at the moment, but they are also working to establish what are the other possible causes, because they are saying that the current investigations are not conclusive.
What is the expectation? Do you believe that the government, it will be possible for them to recall all the syrup in circulation, considering at the moment India has not accepted responsibility? They're saying they are waiting the response of the WHO's investigation, the outcome rather.
Yes, the WHO and other stakeholders are taking part in this investigation, and these investigations are still inconclusive. However, the Gambia government, I believe, has the capacity to recall all these jobs that are out there in the country. The issue now is to directly link this the pandemic to which of these syrups. That's the main issue now. Which syrup is for all these injuries? That is what the question is now. The question now is. So I think they are doing all it takes to ensure that they recall all the syrups out there, and also to establish the causes of this this outbreak of acute kidney injury.
Let's talk about the victims' families. What is the messaging from the government? Is there any sort of support being given to these families?
As I am speaking now, I am not aware of any support being given to these families, and although people are really concerned about what is going on, but there is no support currently being given to these families. I am not aware of any support being given to these families. I know government is trying to take action in order to help ensure that these syrups are recalled, and actions are also being taken to identify the main cause of this acute kidney injury outbreak in the Gambia.